guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna be doing a get ready with me. I was gonna put on my makeup and I was like, why not do it together, that way we can chat. So come with me. Okay, so if you hear some weird noises, it's my chair. Like, I love my chair. It's one of those plastic transparent chairs. I got it from IKEA, but it makes noise when I move, so if you hear that, I'm sorry. So yeah, so today I'm gonna be doing my makeup. And most of the products I'm going to be using today is from my Ipsy subscription. So yeah, I'm going to start by cleaning my face. I know I look a little rough right now. If you see me looking this way a lot, it's because my mirror is on this side. But yeah. What are you guys have been up to? We're still in quarantine. So it's kind of hard to do things, go to places, but it's for the safety of everybody, right? I barely started going back to the gym. I don't know, on this side, I'm sorry, on this side I have all my makeup, all my drawers with makeup, so if you hear noise, it's me opening and closing my drawers. Anyway, I was saying, I really went back to the gym. I started going back to the gym after all this quarantine stuff. And I don't know if you've seen my videos, but yeah, it's been so hard to get back to exercising. Like, it's so hard. Like yesterday I have one-on-one sessions with my coach. Like, I haven't started going to my regular class yet because I want to get back to where I was before, so I'm doing one-on-one sessions with him. Boy, I'm so out of shape. Right now I'm putting on my moisturizer. It's from Parley's. I don't know if that's how it's called. Let me see if you can see it. I don't know if that's how you pronounce it, but anyway, I'm running out, as you can see. But yeah, I'm so out of shape. Like, it's ridiculous. Like, I was on the bike and I have to pedal sitting down, and then I have to stand up and keep pedaling. Okay, the standing up part was ridiculous. It was like so bad. I just couldn't do it. Like, my legs wouldn't give. And today I'm like so sore, so I don't know how I'm gonna do it later on when I go back to my one-on-one sessions with him, because boy. And then I had surgery too. I don't know if you have seen that video too, but yeah, so it's hard, but I mean, I'm getting there. Guys, I love this green tea. The cup is from Starbucks, but not the, it's not tea, I'm sorry, it's juice, green juice. The cup is from Starbucks, but not the juice. I buy the juice from someone else. It's basically celery with ginger and pineapple juice, and oh my god, so good. I'm obsessed with it. So I'm gonna do my eyeshadow. So yeah, as I was saying, I was literally dying yesterday, and then I had a week off. So I started, I think 2 weeks ago, I started going back to the gym. So I went the first week, and then the second week, literally, like, we had a snowstorm here in South Texas, and we're not used to the storms, I mean to the snow, so everything was closed. So then that was a whole week again of not going to the gym. So that's what yesterday when I went back, it was like starting all over again. Like seriously. So I'm wearing this one for the base. This palette's also from Ipsy. It's called Violet Boss. And for the base, I'm using the Silk. This one. But yeah, it's like starting all over again, but I mean, It's a love-hate relationship, right? But after you're done, like, you feel better, basically. Have you guys come back to the gym? And then I usually go with my husband. We do this together. And I'm gonna go with Teddy, this brown right here, for the crease. So me and my husband usually go together to the gym. But again, since we're in quarantine and I cannot do the class, it's like he's been working out from home. And once I'm ready to go to class, once I regain my strength, then we'll go back together to class. Because we don't want him to go to class on his own and then me doing my own thing. We're gonna be doing a video of 20 tips or advice for our 20th wedding anniversary is coming up, guys. So we're gonna be doing a video putting out there what has worked for us for a long, happy, or I should say happier marriage. And one of those tips is that or advice is that to work out together as a couple. So stay tuned for that video. So right now I'm just doing my crease. I know at the beginning it looks kind of weird, guys, but hang in there. It's all going to come together. What do you all do for Valentine's? We were gonna go, well, we usually go out and have dinner, but again, quarantine, we can't. So we were like, okay, well, we do it in the backyard, in the patio. We're gonna have someone come and cook for us and to make dinner for us while we sit down on the table. They were gonna cook for us some tomahawk steaks and all that. But then that night, that day, it was when it got super cold. It started snowing, so I mean, we just couldn't do it. I know for some of you, like, that's real normal snow, but here in South Texas, it's not. It never snows. So we were like, what? And then it snowed the following day as well, so it was like chaos for us. We lost power and stuff. But yeah, so our plans for Valentine's didn't happen as planned. Okay, now I'm gonna go with choco latte and do the bottom eyelid just from the center out. So yeah, our plans went to poop. So we were scrambling around calling restaurants that day, and there were, for the main part, all of them were closed again due to the snow. We've only found one Italian restaurant that was open, so we were like, just order from there. So he went in, go and pick it up. We order online, actually over the phone, and then he went and pick it up. When he went to go pick it up, it was already getting icy on the road. So I was like so nervous, like, oh my god. But yeah, he made it home safe, thank God. And we actually just had Italian with some wine with our kids, and we just basically had a family dinner. But yeah, I did get 3 new charms for my bracelet. I got this red heart. I don't know if you can see it. I really love this red heart because it pops out. It gives like color to my bracelet. This is from Pandora. So I got a red heart. It's upside down. Red heart. And then I got this one that says mother, this little heart. And then I got another heart over here that says love forever. So yeah, I guess he got it before the storm. I was really surprised. And actually, oh my god, that day in the morning, that Sunday, Valentine's in the morning, it wasn't like snowing or anything. So I went to our office. We have a home office downstairs. So I go to the office. I opened this little closet that we have on his side of the office. So that closet is mainly his. All his stuff is there. I was looking for batteries. And I opened the closet and the bag from Pandora with my gifts was there. I was like, oh no, I just saw my gift. So I closed it immediately and I was like, should I tell him that I already know? Or should I just act surprised when he gifts it to me? But I can't lie. So I told him, I was like, was I not supposed to see the Pandora bag in the closet? He was like, you saw it. I was like, yes. He was like, yeah, you were not supposed to. But yeah, it was still a nice surprise to see. I was expecting like a charm and I got 3 charms. So yeah, it was still a surprise. But yeah, that was our Valentine's. Stay home. Had takeout, Italian. And then it started snowing like around 10, I think, 10 p.m. And it snowed, like snow hard. So it was a different Valentine. But yeah. And then from there, the whole week was chaos. I'm looking for another brush, guys. I can't find it. Where is it? So from there, the whole week was chaos because of the snow. So now I'm gonna go with this one. It's called Champagne for my inner, from the center end of my eyelid. But yeah, so after that it was okay. So that night we were fine. We still had electricity, we had power. Then the next day we were all so happy to go outside, see all the snow. We're doing snowmen and playing with the snow, doing angels and stuff, taking a lot of pictures, of course, and video. And then all of a sudden the power started going out. It was like in and out, in and out, in and out. So we're like, oh no, like what are we gonna do? And then like around 7 p.m. it went out and it never came back. So that night it was a little cold overnight sleeping, but it was still okay because the house was still warm from the whole day that we still had, you know, some power. So it was okay. We had like a lot of blankets on and we slept with clothes on and stuff. But then the other day it never came back. The whole day it didn't come back. That night it didn't come back. And that night I was like, I had a nervous breakdown because I was so cold that night. Like I had we had a generator. My husband got a generator that we have for our business. He brought it home and we were using that to plug some heaters. So we had 2 little heaters that my sister lent us because she never lost power. She lives in the same city, but she never lost power. So she was like, hey, I have two heaters. I was like, yes, please. So my husband went and picked them up. And then so we were using that with a generator, but my room is quite big. So I was laying down that night with the heater basically right next to me, and I was still so cold, like so cold. Like there was no way that little heater was gonna heat up my whole room. So I basically started crying. I literally started crying. And so my husband was like, okay, well, let's go to Frida's room, which is my daughter. We went to her room because it's in the middle of our house. So her room, it's a little bit smaller than ours and it's in between rooms. So it was like we put the heater there and we all slept in that room that night, and it was so warm in there. It was like such a relief. Okay, I'm gonna go with my makeup wipe, guys, and I'm just gonna clean the fallout from the eyeshadow, and then I'm gonna clean up the corner up a little bit, going up. Same on this side. Just so that we have that clean, sharp corner. So we're basically done with this one. So now I'm gonna go with this one, which is also from Ipsy. The brand is Venice Fling Bailey Syrian. And I'm just gonna use the one in the corner. This one, it's a very dark gray or black. It's called Venice Fling. And that's just for my outer corner. I like to make it that smoky eye look. So yeah, then morning came again. Still no power. Started snowing again. So it got super cold again. And I was like, okay, we're gonna have another night without power. And then some houses started losing water as well. And I was so scared that we were gonna lose water, but thankfully I didn't. So we lost power but not water, and my sister never lost power but she lost water. So I'm telling you, it was total chaos. Then finally the light came back the following day. I was so nervous that it was just for a little bit and then it was gonna go out again, but thankfully it didn't. It stayed. And that was it. We had fun again in the snow since our house was warm. Took more pictures, and then the following day, it's Texas, so it got hot again. And the snow melted. It was an adventure. Something to talk about. Okay, so I'm gonna go again with the wipe and clean it again. I just use my finger in the wipe and then clean up like that. And then the fallout, of course. Okay, I'm gonna go back with my blending brush with no product just to blend everything, to get rid of any hard edges. I'm putting the brushes away right now. Okay, so I'm gonna go back right now with my primer. Let Me First primer. Also came on my Ipsy subscription. Okay, I'm gonna put on my foundation, the Il Makiage. I usually do my eyebrow first. And like, since I started talking with you guys, I don't know, I forgot. I hate doing my eyebrow, like seriously, like I'm so over it. I have an appointment next Monday to do microblading. I'm so excited and nervous at the same time. Have you guys done microblading before? If you have, let me know how it went because I'm seriously nervous. Excited but nervous too. Hopefully it comes out good, that way I don't have to do my eyebrow anymore and I wake up with nice eyebrows. Sorry about the airplane. I'm also going to be doing a cooking video tomorrow. I don't know when it's going to go up, hopefully this weekend, but with my husband. You know how I like to bring him over to my channel. Yeah, we're going to be doing this cooking video. To be on the lookout for that one. This is gonna be our first cooking video together, so I'm excited about that. Okay, and then I'm gonna put eyeliner top. Sorry if I make weird faces. Okay, I'm gonna do some contouring. Yensa. I'm all over the place today doing my makeup. But it's okay. So again, I was telling you, I'm gonna do my eyebrow. I'm gonna microblade it this coming Monday. I'm excited about that. I'm putting away stuff as I go. I always do this when I'm cooking, putting on my makeup, anything. I clean as I go. I'm a neat freak, guys, so I have to have everything like clean and organized. If not, I go cray. Okay, so I'm gonna brush my eyebrow. I do have a video on how I do my eyebrow right now. Probably gonna link it up here. This is from Bare Minerals. I like using these headbands while I do my makeup because it keeps all my hair out of the way. And like, of course they're gonna get dirty with the makeup, but you can always just put them in the washer. And they're good to go again. That way your hair doesn't get makeup all over it. Still does a little bit, but not as much as if you wouldn't put a headband on. I'm so overdoing my eyebrow, guys. Like, you guys have no idea. Like, I'm over it. I haven't given you guys a room tour, right? I might give you one. But it's like I have so many things to do to this house. Okay, so we are building a new house soon. We already have the land and everything. And this house where we live right now is our house as well. But we outgrown it already. So that's why we're building again. But I still want to upgrade this house, like bring it up to, you know, to look pretty, because I think we're gonna keep it. We're not gonna sell it, we're gonna keep it. And I want to have a pretty house, a pretty second house. And actually I want to invest in it, like to make it super nice so that I can rent it as a Airbnb, something like that, or on the weekends, you know, people who want to have a little pool party, because we have a party, we have a pool in the backyard. So we have a pool, so I want to, you know, it's a big backyard, so we have a pool. I want to build a kitchen and bring it up so that it's inviting and that people can throw parties there. So I want to rent it like during the weekends. People want to, you know, have a little place to, especially in the summer here in Texas that it gets super hot. People want to have a place to hang by the pool, you know, I can rent it. So I'm still doing a lot of things to this house before we start building the other one, just because I want to, you know, rent it out. So right now I'm working on my master restroom. I have a restroom in my bedroom, so I'm going to remodel that. Then my closet, it's like a mess because it's a walk-in closet, but on one side is my side, the other side is my husband's, and my husband's side is always like so messy. So that's one thing we're gonna have in the other house for sure, his and hers closet. That's for sure already on the list. But right now it's like we share the same walk-in closet, and like it's not working. That closet hasn't been working because, again, I'm a neat freak and his side always gives me anxiety. This is the Triple Shot XXL mascara. Is it focusing? I'm not gonna wear falsies today, guys, so I'm not gonna put them on. But yeah, so I need to organize that too. So pretty sure I'm gonna make a video on reorganizing my closet and on remodeling my restroom. So be on the lookout for that as well, so you can get ideas. I love watching videos of other people like remodeling their houses and reorganizing their closets. It's like it gives me ideas too, like I want to do that. I think this one's already running out, but I'm not going out, so it doesn't matter. I just want to look pretty for the hubby when he gets back from work. I don't want to look all fodonga. Okay, I'm gonna set everything in this loose powder. Are you one of those girls that want to look pretty for their husband all the time? Or am I the only one? I don't know. I feel like I don't like to be fodonga. Fodonga is like, I don't know, just like all over the place, like not looking, not pretty, but because we all look pretty without makeup, but you know, put together, I guess that's the word. I always like to look put together for my husband. I don't know why. Like after all these years, I still like to impress him. I'm gonna go with Lovecraft Beauty with this one for my cheeks. Then I'm gonna go back with this one and just like blend it in so it doesn't look too red or too harsh. Same brand, Lovecraft Beauty, but now I'm gonna do the highlighter palette on the golden color over here. The lipstick I'm gonna wear, I left it in my purse downstairs. Let me see. My phone here. Hey, can you bring me my purse? It's in my office. Thank you, bye, love you. So yeah, I'm gonna put everything away. Again, guys, clean as you go. That way you don't have a mess afterwards. I need to get my nails done. Like every time I see my nails, it's like, oh. But because of quarantine, I haven't been able to. Thank you, my love. Yay. I don't want to put my purse on the floor because they say you lose your money and your viejo, your husband. So I put it on my chair over here. This is Pretty Filter Soul Velvet Lipstick. This is such a beautiful color. Anyway, I was telling you, like, I haven't gone to get my nails done because of quarantine, because of COVID. But oh god, I think it's time. think it's time to go get them done. Okay, so I think that's basically it. I guess like I said, I'm not, oh no, I forgot something, sorry, my bad. I'm gonna go back with this eyeshadow palette. Okay, I'm gonna go again with chocolate, and just do the bottom real quick. I know I already put my mascara, but it's okay. I'm telling you, I'm all over the place today. See, makes a difference. Okay, so I'm gonna finish up with my setting spray. I always do this because there's still some product in the air, so I want to take advantage of it. And guys, that's basically it. This is the makeup for today. You can still see the spray on my face. It will dry out. But yeah, this was it. This was fun chatting with you guys. Yeah, hope you like the makeup look. Thanks so much for watching and hanging out with me. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.